Welcome you all for the discussion on communication network. Myself, Dr. M. Amina Banu, Professor EC Department, NPR College of Engineering and Technology. We are going to discuss in detail about communication network. The first unit, we are going to see the introduction on communication networks. Before seeing the detailed contents of this chapter, we should know what is communication and what are the different aspects of network, how we are forming network and other things. So in this section, we are going to see introduction, types of communication, network topology, internet and protocols. The term communication means exchange of data between the devices via some form of transmission medium data at a distance. So what is mean by exchange of data? Here data refers to the information. So what we are trying to say, what is we are willing to convey to others. So the information may be in any form, it may be text or voice or anything. We are willing to convey it to all. That is our information, that is our data. What is transmission medium? Through which we are sending the data. So initially we are using coaxial cable. Through that cable we are transferring our data to the distance place. But nowadays the transmission medium familiarized is optical fiber. See this diagram. So here the components involved in a communication system is given. When you want to communicate, minimum of 2 persons or 2 nodes required. So sender and receiver. Sender means who wants to convey the information. Receiver to whom we are conveying the information. So the sender and receiver, they should satisfy some rules. So the rules, set of rules are called as protocol. So see here the red line, it indicates the medium through which the sender sends the information to the receiver. The message is our information which is to be transferred to the receiver from sender. So when you communicate like this, so we are having different type of communication. Initially, the type of communication is simplex type. So based on the data flow, we are classifying it as simplex, half duplex and full duplex. So what is simplex? It's a very simple kind of transformation. So here only one, the machine A may be transferring the information to the machine B. That's all. Here only one direction, single direction of data flow. This is given in the first figure. Come to the next case, is a half duplex. So what is half duplex? We know duplex means two way is possible, but half duplex means here transfer